Introducing the 2025 Volkswagen T-roc ED 75 2.0tdi M6F, the perfect blend of style, comfort and safety. This sleek, black estate charged Jeep comes equipped with a powerful 2-litre diesel engine, delivering 116 horsepower through a manual transmission. The extensive list of features includes air conditioning, Bluetooth phone connectivity, cruise control, and a whole lot more. Not only does this car come with luxury trim and privacy glass, but it also boasts advanced safety features like anti-collision system, lane departure warning, and emergency call function. And let's not forget about the stylish chrome package and roof rails. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own this exceptional vehicle. Call us or visit michaelmoore.ie for more information today.